ঠাকুরে ঘরে গিয়ে না মুখ বদলি খায়নি। I don't know why the BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party, is getting so excited about this matter of the election, the voting machines. Nobody has accused them of anything yet. It seems to be an example of ঠাকুরে ঘরে গিয়ে না মুখ বদলি খায়নি। I think it is very unfortunate what the Home Minister remarked on such a revered